Hello once again, guys. Quick update on the previous video which I posted regarding the Kiwi and the sales. Once again, the situation is starting from the weekly chart, coming through the daily chart, looking at once again a reversal pattern. Okay, after the convergence we are looking for these pullbacks and then continuation lower. This is where we got the possible hidden divergence that we need to confirm on the lower time frames. We got to the place where we wanted. Okay, levels are now reached. 61.8 of the most recent 4-hour chart cycle is now reached as well. And the good part is we are now having this divergence, which is most likely going to push the price lower. So how do we trade it? Very easy. If we drop even to the 1-hour chart, we can see exactly the same situation. Okay, conservatively we have multiple options. Actually, break below this low is probably and supposedly going to open the doors for the sales. Furthermore, for more aggressive ideas, we have the possibility to squeeze this last leg inside a cycle on its own, and this cycle has a cycle on its own, so we can even squeeze it to this part, and this is where we have the divergence, this is where we have the breakout, and we basically get here the Matryoshka principle. We got the break below the low, which means selling here probably with a tiny pullback would be something that we can already enjoy even before this low is reached. If you start trading this setup, my suggestion would be to cash out target one immediately once you get 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, place the stop loss to break even and let it develop. If the price starts dropping very fast and you're not kicked out in break even, of course, this setup could really provide an amazing risk reward ratio, because technically speaking we have a lot of room to the downside, and that could be one amazing opportunity coming from the Kiwi. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. For any questions, use the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good one.